It is not just about being an imitator, a blind follower of actions without comprehension. So my heart is a project that I am constantly investing in, and purification of the soul is a project that I am constantly engaging in. If worse comes to worse, if nothing else, at least what you will have at least appealing for you in the hereafter is your best efforts. Maybe I failed completely, but at least I tried my best, and Allah knows that you tried your best. Even if you constantly failed. Who's better? Someone who always tried their best, even though the results ultimately were extremely unsatisfactory, but they've always worked hard. Or someone who never worked hard, but just found themselves easily doing what looks like piety. Ask yourself, what is the nature of piety? If someone says, I was born taught never to sin, and I lived and died and never sinned, and they come in the hereafter, and it was all easy for them. They've never sinned because they've never had the temptation to sin. As opposed to someone who always had the temptation and always struggled with the temptation, sometimes succeeded, sometimes failed. What does Allah reward? It is the effort. It is the struggle. It is the deliberation. It's the hard work. It would be grossly inequitable to reward that who was born without temptation and never failed. That's not an achievement. It just is.